Darren Smith, Digital Building Solutions Advisor from the ECA, join me on this stage to announce the winner. Put your hands together for Darren. So this award recognises projects in commercial or light industrial environments where the installation and integration of smart technology has had a positive impact on the operating efficiency of the building. The finalists in this category are Thorn Lighting at Wincanton, Moss Technical for the Aston Marina Restaurant, Smart Sparks for the Intelligent Lighting Cinema installation in London, and BG Electrical for the LED lighting refurbishment for Blakemore Retail. So, highly commended in this category goes to Moss Technical. Marvellous. Well done there to Moss Technical. Now, Darren is going to tell us who the winner is.
The winner is Thorn Lighting.